This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook an egg on cast iron. First, let's prepare your skillet for success. Begin by preheating your cast iron pan over medium heat for about 5 to 10 minutes. This ensures even heat distribution. You can test the temperature by flicking a few drops of water into the pan. They should sizzle and evaporate quickly. Once hot, add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking fat, like butter or canola oil, and swirl it to coat the surface. Now for the cooking itself. After adding your oil or butter, immediately reduce the heat to low or medium-low. Cast iron retains heat exceptionally well, so the residual warmth will continue cooking your egg without burning it. Carefully crack your egg into the pan. Let it sit undisturbed for a few seconds, allowing the whites to firm up. This crucial step helps prevent sticking and ensures a smooth release from the pan. You can achieve various egg styles on cast iron. For sunny side up, simply cook until the whites are set and the yolk remains liquid, without flipping. For over easy, cook the first side for about 2 minutes, then flip for just 30 seconds. If you prefer over medium, cook the first side for 2 minutes, then flip for 1 to 2 minutes. For a fully cooked yolk, aim for over hard, cooking the first side for 2 minutes, then flipping for about 3 minutes. After enjoying your perfectly cooked egg, proper care of your cast iron is essential. Let the pan cool slightly, then rinse it with warm water. For any stuck-on bits, use a plastic scraper or a chain mail scrubber. You can use a small amount of dish soap if needed. Thoroughly dry the pan with a towel, then place it back on the stove over low heat for about 1 minute to ensure all moisture is gone. Finally, apply a very thin layer of cooking oil to the entire surface to maintain its seasoning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.